Hi everyone, welcome to Kiki Does Stuff, and I'm Kiki, and this is my friend
Rachel!
Yay! You may remember her from such episodes as our New Year's resolutions. Yay! I almost said intentions, but that is correct. So today we wanted to do something kind of fun. So obviously we all know the Super Bowl is coming, so sad to say our home state lost. But I'm also from New England, but you know, I really don't follow football, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just rooting for someone to win.
It's gonna be a fun time in Minneapolis either way, so.
Exactly. And my favorite part is actually just going to the Super Bowl party, so you get to try different types of foods and just like hang out with your friends. Like, come on, that is more fun for me than, and the commercials. The commercials are great.
Yep.
So we have 4 recipes for you guys. 3 are dips, and 1 is just something to be dipped, or topped, I guess.
A dipper.
Yeah, there you go. We have a mango avocado salsa.
Yum.
Yes, and we have a beet hummus. We also have a tzatziki sauce. I know there's a lot of different recipes for tzatziki, traditional and maybe not traditional, so I am not saying that this is
the one that is the most traditional.
Yeah.
That's
so
delicious.
it's just a version of a tzatziki sauce. Let's leave it there. Sorry, Harold. And then we're gonna make some homemade falafels that we got from food52.com, and I will link that recipe down below, as well as everything else we made today. So I hope you guys are excited for the Super Bowl coming up, and I hope you guys just keep on watching.
To the recipes!
Yes, to the recipes! Well guys, I hope you liked it. That was my first kind of like cooking, tasting type of video. So obviously there's a lot that I can work on after like seeing how I'm editing all this stuff. But for my first try, you know, it's
First
okay.
go at it.
It's okay.
First go.
Remember to look down in my description box, and I will have the link to Food 52's falafel recipe, and I will put the recipe down for everything else that we made today. So I hope you tried these out, and if you did try these out, please either write a comment down below or follow me on Instagram and then tag me in it so I can see what you made. That would be great. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button down below, and also start hitting that notification bell so that way you are notified the next time I upload a video.
And I learned what that meant last week.
Yes, we did. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye. I think that's it. So, yeah. Woo! Go football! Now the goodbyes.
You got much more sad.
Now the goodbyes.